Hello, my dear children. How are you? Good? Okay. Today we are going to study about our third chapter, The Road to Independence. Shall we start? Have you heard about the word independence? Yes. When we celebrate our Independence Day, say children. Yes, very good. We celebrate our Independence Day on August 15. So, this chapter, The Road to Independence, is about the various movements and conditions which led our India as an independent nation. Okay, children, now we are moving on to our chapter. All of you take your textbook and take page number 30. An unusual crowd has gathered at Apollo Bandar Harbour in Bombay. Do you know why the crowd has gathered there? Yes, to welcome the great man. He is arriving there in a foreign ship. Do you know who he is? Yes, very good. He is the father of our nation, the great Mahatma Gandhi. When Gandhiji came back from South Africa, our India was under the control of British rule. British came to India in 1858 and they captured many states and established their colonies across the country. They formed laws and policies of their own and they forced Indians to obey their rules. British ruled India by threatening and killing Indians. Famine occurred in India during British rule due to the inadequate transportation of food. Famine means extreme scarcity of food and it leads to starvation. Starvation means extreme suffering caused by the lack of food. Peasants were lived with great distress. Peasants means farmers. So, this was the condition of India when Gandhiji came back from South Africa. So, Gandhiji exhorted the people to stand united against the harassment and injustice of the British rulers. Exhorted means encourage. In order to fight against the British, Gandhiji led Satyagraha. Satyagraha means holding on to truth. That is, to maintain truth always in life. Never accept anything evil, oppose it. That is, we have to oppose all the bad, immoral activities. However, do not use violence while opposing. It means don't hurt or kill others while opposing. Never give up non-violence. That is, we have to support all the things in a peaceful way. Gandhiji's this Satyagraha movement became a major tool in the Indian struggle against British. And most of the Indians participated in Satyagraha movement. Gandhiji's simple way of life and pleasant speech captured the minds of ordinary people. This mass support raised him to the leadership of Indian National Congress. INC is the short form of Indian National Congress. It's a political party in India founded in 1885. Consequently, the Indian freedom struggle became a constructive mass movement and it gave more importance to non-violence. Is it clear to you? Okay. Let us conclude today's topic. Today we studied about the impact of British rule in India and Gandhiji's freedom struggle movement, Satyagraha. Okay children, it's time for winding up today's section. Hope you understood today's topic well. Thank you.